and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I'm happy to bring you details today of our launch items. So our next launch is on the 7th of August, which is Friday at 4 p.m. BST, British Summer Time. And we have a few different items to bring you this month. So I'm going to start with the diamond paintings and the gift boxes and then go into the other limited items. But the first diamond painting we have is called Pool Time, which is this absolutely gorgeous one. It has 9 different colours and we have 3 diamond dust drills in this kit. This is in square. We have created an accompanying gift box. This will come, of course, with the gift boxy type presentation, but this is so that you can see most of the items in there. One of them's just shrunk a little bit, but there are images on the website showing it in detail. So that's the first diamond painting. The second one is called Geese, and I have got example, these are finished designs, but the next one is called Geese. This one's absolutely adorable. This one has 13 different colours in this one, and we have an accompanying gift box for that one too. So if you want to treat yourself or somebody else, you can. So they are the diamond paintings launching this month. To accompany them, we have gone for a pink and white striped tray. We thought it would go extremely nicely with Pool Time. And this is available in Zesty, Add More Zest, or as a bundle with the 2 accompanying Touch of Zest trays. And I am going to pop this one on unlimited stock for the first week or so, because I can print more of these, with them being a combination of a couple of stock colours. So I can print many more of these. So I'll put them on unlimited for about a week, and then at some point after I've finished packing orders, I will put the numbers to how many more I've managed to get printed. So they are the trays for this month. We do also have an additional set of trays. These are limited in number. This is a very similar colour, if not exactly the same as a previous colour, but this is us bringing back a silver tray. So we have this available in Add More Zest, Zesty and Touch of Zest, or again as a bundle. However, these are limited to how many we have. So once these are gone, but this is a redo. So if you've managed to pick up the silver before, then you'll already have them. So that's easy enough. So they are the trays. For a pen this month, we have a silver pen, because it does both go very nicely with our pink. It is a slightly different colour silver to the trays, but not by a lot. So that is our 3D printed pen, and it does come with a metal tip, and you can have a choice as whether to have plastic tips with it too. Now on to cover paper and in turn washi tape. So this is our cover paper for this month. So we do have a couple of designs with geese. So this is the one that comes in the gift box. The example sizes are cut into 16 pieces, but you will have a choice of sizes. And then we also have these geese, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then the rest are sort of themed a bit more around pool time. 'Tis the season for the weather. But we have like a palm trees beachy one. I can't remember what I named them. We have Pool Time, well and truly Pool Time, and we have ice cream as another one. We have 2 of these as a washi tape, and I've put washi tape on pieces of card. I figured it's a little bit easier to see than it is to see on the, like, you can see it on the roll, but you can't see the design as well. So this one is a washi tape, and then it's actually this one, but it doesn't have the geese. It is just the designs around the geese on this one, so more the flowers and things. So it's a coordinating one, but not the main event. So that is the cover paper and the washi tape for this month. We're also releasing 2 more washi tape that are stock, so they match our stock cover paper, and that is turtles and koalas. So they're available in a washi tape. And that was all our initial plan to launch for this month. However, we have unfortunately had to stop EU shipping from Sunday the 9th due to new laws coming into place. So because we have got some things prepared for upcoming months, we have decided to bring just a couple of things forward in case our European customers want them. So it is a little bit early to have autumn alongside pool time, but this is, say, primarily for our European customers, though it is available to all customers, and it will just be on the website longer. So the autumn season ones will stay until a little bit after winter is released. So this is our autumn cover paper collection. So to show you the designs, that is number 1. These gorgeous birds are number 2. Trying to stop the sun shining on the cover paper sleeves. Then we have, these are actually beautiful foxes. Can you see them in the bottom? And then on that piece you can see them on the side. Of course, if you get them cut into bigger pieces, you'll see them more. We have these gorgeous leaves, autumn leaf design, and then we have this beautiful bookcase design with autumn leaves scattered about. So that is our autumn cover paper selection. This will be up for a few months, but we are releasing this early. And we have 2 washi tapes to accompany these. So we have the bookcase and we have the leaves. So they will also be available. And we are going to release early our Halloween selection. Again, very early for Halloween. Even September is sort of early for Halloween. But this is primarily, I say, just our European customers have requested it. And frankly, we're not going to deny them. So Halloween, we actually have 6 designs. There are always sometimes, especially with the seasonal ones, where we just can't stick to 5, and this was one of those occasions. So we have 6 designs for Halloween. We have this gorgeous wolf. We have witches. We have spider webs, like watercolour spider webs. We have potions. Trying to make sure the light doesn't shine on it funny. We have ghosts with candy, and we have bats. And I just love how they all go together. Yeah, just pulling in those purples, pinks with a hint of orange and things. And we have 2 washi tapes to go with these as well. So we have gone for the web on a washi tape and the ghosts on a washi tape. So yeah, we're releasing those a little bit earlier than we normally would. So feel free to get those in future months if you want, unless you're in Europe, or the EU, sorry, not the whole of Europe, just the EU countries that are affected by these new laws. So yeah, those two we are bringing forward. The other thing we have decided to do is in October we will be releasing individually the 2 mystery packs that we have had in past launches. So they're not mystery paintings, apart from the fact that you guys don't know what they are. But they're mystery packs. They contain 3 square diamond paintings in designs that have not yet been released on their own on any monthly launch. We released one was definitely in June, and the other one would have been 3 months before that. Was it March or April? So we released 2 mystery packs that were only up for about a week and then they went away. And we are planning on releasing the paintings as individuals in October for people to be able to shop them. But what we thought we'd do is, again, because we can no longer guarantee we can ship to Europe from the end of this weekend, is we would bring back the 2 mystery bags for the weekend. So these will only be available for the weekend. Anybody else will have an opportunity to purchase these singly in October, but we are offering the packs again for this weekend. So from the 7th till around the 9th, we will have both Mystery Pack 1 and Mystery Pack 2 available in case any European customers. We've already had a request, so more than happy to do what we can with that. Unfortunately, it isn't something that we can avoid, and as much as we would love to bring other things forward that we have planned for future launches, things that we may have in-house ready, and or things that we could potentially, you know, put a little bit of a rocket going on and get ready. Unfortunately, that's not something that will then, it will affect future launches quite a big deal. By bringing these 2 forward, we'll just make next month's launch just a little bit smaller, but it will still have its key items, and by bringing these back for a limited time will not stop October still being our big launch. Other items like the Advent event painting, unfortunately we don't have them in-house, so that's not something that we can bring forward. But yeah, we rest assured to our European customers, we do keep looking into it. We do keep looking for any further information where we may be able to open it up to other countries, or to certain countries in the EU, some that have, you know, implemented the rules in a way we can afford to continue shipping. That is something that we are constantly looking into, but at the moment there's just not enough information out there at the moment, and there's 27 countries to go through. So yeah, we just don't have enough information at the moment to be able to open it up to any, but we rest assured if we can, we will. In relation to European customers who have pre-ordered the Advent calendar, we are still hoping to get those to you. We're hoping to ship them slightly differently and to ship them as early as possible, so before any potential penalties come in relation to the new rules. We're going to abide by the new rules, but there are some administrative steps that we physically can't afford to take, and we're hoping to get the Advents out as soon as possible so we can sort of bypass that being enforced, should we say. Probably not the best way to say it, but we are still going to try to. If for any reason any countries send them back, we will of course process any refunds we need to. Customers will not be out money and Advent. Our aim is to get our EU customers their Advent. So if you are in a country that's part of the European Union, we are doing our best. And yeah, we will keep you updated as always. There will still be Whip and Waffles and vlogs and things to sort of be part of the community. But yeah, they are our launch items. They are launching this Friday at 4 p.m. on the 7th of August. So hopefully you can join us then. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.